Boom. What's going on, guys? This is Dens. We're back. Another DAD. So today we have the E46 that will actually be going today at some point. We're waiting for some perimeter bolts on that, but that's all fully done now, fully wrapped. It went in an Avery gloss grey, and we also done the alloys on that, freshly coated in gloss black. So that looks wicked. Check out for that one coming out soon. We also have the smart car that's back with us. We actually wrapped this one not long ago. You might actually see a link in the here, I think. We wrapped this one in satin black and had some gloss black bits on it, and they're having their signage done on that. So we're going to get cracking with that, get all of that cut out. We also have this A class, it's an A250. This is in for some rear lights to be smoked out, because you know we like rear lights smoked. We also have the wing mirrors that are going gloss black. C class has just turned up. That will be this week's full wrap, and that is going a raspberry blue. So that should look sick as well. That's shots and returns, that one. So yeah, now busy week. DAD signing out.